Good morning, children, from Little Bird School. Today I am taking Social Science subject of Standard 6th, Chapter number 3, Citizenship. It was a Sunday. Rajul and his family members were helping each other clean the house. Yes, children, there was a Sunday. Rajul, a boy, and his family members were helping each other clean the house. You must also be helping your family members when there is a work to be done. After having his tea, it means after they were completed their breakfast, grandfather called Rajul and said, "A family is a social institution which the child comes into contact with first." It means a family is a social place where the child first came to contact with their family members. Therefore, a family is called the school of culture and personality development. Yes, children, a family is a social institution where child comes into contact with first and the child learns about society for development, personality development. It is the smallest unit of society. Yes, a family is the smallest unit of society. A family also teaches us that we are mutually dependent on each other. Yes, children, it is very true that in our family there are either 5 members or 4 members, whatever it is, but we all are mutually dependent on each other. Each and every member of the family ought to help each other. It means each of the family member, they have very eager to help other family member. Society is based on the principle of cooperation and it begins with the family. Yes, society has based on a principle of what? Cooperation, and where it begins with? It begins with the family. There is always a mutual impact made by the ideas and attitudes of family members. Whatever our ideas, attitudes, our behavior, it becomes a mutual impact. We learn etiquette and manners from the family. Whatever our behavior, our attitude, our ideas, thinking, thoughts, manners, we should learn these things from where? From family. The ideology of family helps in making decisions which may or may not be acceptable. Yes, sometimes there is an important decision taken, so they were decided that it should be acceptable or not. The family and school are institutions which shape us into becoming a better citizen and living a better life. It means our family and school, this both the place, it can helps us for becoming a better citizen or better person and living a better life. When a child is born into a family, he is nourished by his parents. It means when a new child born, his parents were upbringing him or her. After some time, he establishes a relationship with the neighbors. It means he is related with their neighbors. Then he goes to school. As he grows constantly, imitates his elders till he becomes an adult. Meanwhile, he comes into contact with many social institutions, which helps to mold and develop his personality. It means when he grows up and when he becomes an adult, he also goes to other institutions, social institutions, where he can develop his personality. If a child is given the opportunity to think and take a decision freely, he will become a good citizen. It means if we give the opportunity to a child to think or to take a decision freely, he will become a good citizen. Later on, when he becomes an adult, he will think independently in the social, political spheres of life and work, according to understanding of such situations. Yes, if a child get an opportunity to take a decisions freely, then he become a good citizen, and when he becomes an adult, he also thinks independently. It means freely. In which situation? In social situations or political situations. Whatever it is, he had to decide, or he had also understand that type of situations. Okay children, up to this we will discuss our next topic in next lecture. Thank you.